What? Ah, insect pigeons! If you don't like this video, I'm gonna come find you and I'm gonna shoot you. Which probably means you're not gonna like the video now, because what I'm eating in that selfie. I'm joking, I will not find you and shoot you if you don't like the video. If you like the video, then I'll come find you and shoot you. Guys, make sure you smash 100k likes on this video before you even start it. Hit the like button right now. So you're probably wondering what the heck I'm doing. Okay, Elliot's sunbathing today. It's a beautiful day. The weather's coming back in the UK. If you don't know, before I did a prank called the bird poop prank. Basically, it's pigeon poo. I make noises going Wah! And throw bird poo edits. This time, we've gone for the ultimate pigeon poo. I just spat in the camera, sorry, Tom. The ultimate pigeon poo prank with a super soaker. I filled it with water, I filled it up with yogurt. Me and Elliot, it's time to get shit on. Sorry, bro. And if you want to win one of the MacBooks, yes, I have the MacBooks. I'm not gonna. Bro, I just got all over. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. It's the gun. It's got a problem with it. If you want to win one of the MacBooks, make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn the notifications on, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter at Ben Phillips UK. How do you even use this thing? Oh God! Sorry, bro.
My eye!
God, it's all over the lens. God, it's all over the lens. Oh my gosh,
eye.
bro, you're right. God, show me your eye. Show me your eye. You look like a pigeon's just come to love your face. I'm sorry, bro.
Oh, that's thing.
I'm gonna screw it here. You record over the wall.
Oh yeah. Hang on. This is my height to the wall.
Well, just put your arm up, Carl. Put your arm up and... Oh my gosh, you're that short. I've got an idea.
What?
Put the camera down.
What? There he is in all of his fatness. Bingo.
Do I go straight with the can or I just go natural?
I don't think you should use that yet.
Just throw the pot on him.
Yeah, save that later.
What? Ah! Insect pigeons! The hell's going on? Oh! No! My phone! Stupid diarrhea pigeons! This is disgusting! What did you do if I shot on your face? Hate my life!
Oh my God.
Bro, what was it like?
It was amazing.
That's disgusting. What if I shot in your face? He's gonna have a shower, fresh clothes, and then we use the super soaker.
Yeah.
Or do we tip it out him when he goes out of the house from the window again? Yeah?
Yeah, I think that's perfect.
Let's go.
Alright, cool. Here we go.
What is this? Stupid birds! Oh, Jesus. Where does he go?
You went right, I assume, out of a hazard of a guess where he goes every day.
Yeah, Tesco.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Look at his back, Carl!
Oh, man.
No.
Looks like he's having a shit day, isn't he?
Yeah. Oh gosh, the shit he goes through.
We gotta stop with these shitty puns.
Oh, life's a pile of shit. that was bad.
That's terrible.
I'm just shitting you! Hey!
New high score! Oh yeah.
What's your high score now?
177.
177?
I'm trying to play this through the camera lens. Ah!
Oh, hopefully it just works through all the bit. Oh, look at it. Do you see the 1.5 She thinks we're recording it. Do you just want to record from here and I hide?
You see those plant things over there?
The trolley is there.
No. The plant thing's over there, right by the door.
Yeah.
I was hidden it the other day. You walked straight past me, didn't even see.
Bro, I don't want to stand by the door of a super soaker. Where's the
It's in the boot.
This is mad. Carl, I look like Suicide Squad walking to flipping Tesco. Everyone's not going to be funny. There he is. There he is. Oh, he's just left the addresses. He's just left the addresses. from the windows.
I know. I know.
All the kids are waiting for Elliot.
They're gonna see him covered in bird poo.
I don't think any person likes Elliot. That's how long I've been waiting for Elliot to come back to this flipping house, Carl. It's probably a great time right now to do notifications. Starting with... Bro, if you want to subscribe, just click subscribe. Ding. Hi Ben, liked and subscribed. I got 226 on #wire. Bro, your wire game, it's weak. Superglue Elliot's lips together and superglue dog shit to him. Possible under his nose. I love your videos, you're hilarious. I'd love to win a MacBook, but it's impossible. #Brofo. Meg Jones. Meg Jones, nothing is impossible. Superglue Elliot with white clay into Elliot black teeth. Sorry, bro. I've been watching your videos for 2 years now. I love your videos and I hope I win the MacBook. Oh, J. Cool. Please have a space gray MacBook as we don't need laptops, only PC. Doesn't work well. #Brofo. #Bay. I love you all.
We have a Dave in the middle of a notification shout out.
You alright, Dad? Just wanted to be on the video. Hi Ben, I've been watching your videos now for a year. Also, I think you're the best prankster the world has ever seen. #Brofo. Catch K. Bang! Damn, I really hope I can win this MacBook. I really need a laptop for school, but my parents can't afford one. My high score on wire is 639 by Hazer TV. Bro, that is sick! If you want that MacBook, if you want the rose gold, the gold, or the space gray, you got to comment below which one you want with #Brofo, #Bay, and you have to have the game wire. Ultimately, guys, if you want the MacBook, you got to be subscribed. So click the subscribe button right now, which is above you or down below you. I don't even know where it is. I probably got it wrong. I've already given 2 of the phones in person by hand, and the ones I gave was the black iPhone and the rose gold iPhone. Here's a tiny clip of what happened. If you want to watch the full video, it's on my Facebook pages. Default, here we go. It's all in there. Oh gosh. Oh, it was all in there. Have you taken this one? Tell me the truth now. Don't embarrass me. It's all there, bro. Your Brofo for life, man. That's it. You've done it. Well done. You were raising for it was something like the old.
It was just literally like 200 quid. I've just raised it to 300.
300 baht.
Yeah.
We want to give you £300, bro.
There you go.
On the check, man.
That's
and this is from. I can't show my code numbers.
There's
There's the £300, Fred. We want to give this to you, bro. Here's a check, man. It's from me personally.
That's much appreciated.
And put it into like the air ambulance somewhere, and I hope you support your run. Is this Caitlin?
This is Caitlin.
Caitlin!
The real Caitlin.
Caitlin, you can say hello. Come on, look, she doesn't even want to look up. I'm really here. It's fine. What's your score here?
60 something like 69.
No pressure, no pressure.
This is completely signed, this one is. So, we've signed it properly there. We've got the sorry bro. Caitlin, sorry bro.
5C.
Oh, don't worry, listen.
There you go.
You got your 7.
You got an iPhone 7.
You got a 7. This is real. And the thing is, with one particular case, which was Ed and his missus, they have a little boy called Harry. Harry was involved in an accident where he was shot in the head. He was very crazy accident. It was incredible to give it to someone that appreciates so much. And I know every single one of you appreciate these giveaways and everything. And Ed has been subscribed to me way back in the day when I first started Vine. And also with Caitlin as well. Caitlin is incredible. And I just want to say to Caitlin's friends out there who don't believe that Caitlin was going to meet me, sorry, bro.
Oh, there he is. Bad day.
Elliot, what are you doing down here?
I've had the worst day of my life today.
Are you going to go in there, Elliot?
I've been crapped on all day, look at me!
What do you mean crap?
Got them stupid birds outside, it's the summertime, isn't it?
Actually, got dirty stains all over you.
Well, guess what? You called me Mockingjay Giles last time? Call me Legolas this time.
Elliot, what are you on, mate? What are you on about now?
You know those stupid birds?
Yes.
They're having it.
What do you mean birds? Elliot, what do you mean birds? No.
Whoa,
you point upwards first, right? 3, 2. Elliot, for goodness sake, you're not going to...
Whoa,
Hey, you dong, stop. You're going to kill us, you dong,
I'm
stop.
not gonna let go, am I? Well,
You don't know what you, Elliot, for goodness sake. Who are you even shooting? What are you shooting?
Northwest.
Hey, whoa! Elliot, this is stupid. Hey, you're gonna...
Stop.
Hey.
Oh! What was that noise?
My gosh.
I think it's Marge.
What?
Oh my God.
Whoa. Get around.
I one shot her in the pussy. I don't realise she could be bleeding.
She's not going to be bleeding to death.
Hold this.
Why hold this?
Back.
Oh, Elliot, for goodness sake.
Fuck! Oh my gosh.
Bloody cow, shot me through the bloody foot. Don't look like that.
Shit.